What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create animations like this one or like this one on Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to our Canva, find the design that you wish to work with. In my case, gonna be, let me just delete this one and delete this one. The size is okay for me. Now review the left sidebar of menus on elements and type street. Go to graphics, scroll down until you find a two-dimensional street. This one is possible, okay, in the case that you wish. You're gonna adjust the size of the street. Like this is okay for me. Now I'm gonna go to elements again and type walking. Go to graphics, okay. Use this arrow right here. Go to animation. Find an animated walking person. I think this one is okay, maybe. Fancy. Let me just adjust the size, just like this. Now, I'm gonna click into this image, the background image, go to animate, click on create animation. Now, hold the shift on the keyboard on your and screw it down from right to left, just like this. And here is the result. Change it from original to steady. Click on done. Now go to preview. And here is the result you got. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.